What's up, guys? Thanks for checking out the channel, watching a video. Today we are making a cake, another cake. This is called a honey bun cake. This uses a yellow cake mix. We soup it up and add some stuff to it to make it super delicious. We're going to put like brown sugar and cinnamon. We're going to drizzle honey on it. We're going to make a glaze. It's all done in a 9x13 pan. Super easy to make. There's no icing and all that kind of stuff like that. It really is a delicious cake. It's really simple. The flavors are just perfect on it. It doesn't taste like a honey bun, but it has resemblance to a honey bun. But I really like it. It's great for brunch or like a breakfast cake if you want something like that. So here comes the recipe, guys. It's honey bun cake. If you're not a subscriber, take a second, hit that subscribe button. We would love to have you on board. Every subscription helps our numbers and our algorithm and all that crazy talk. But guys, here it comes, a honey bun cake. Enjoy. Make sure you put your comments, questions down below. We'd love to hear from you. We'll see you on the other end. All right, the first thing we're going to do is this is 1/3 cup of light brown sugar. Not dark brown, but light brown. Surprise. Maybe a little bit more because I had a little bit left in the bag and I want to use it. So we're just going to mix that together. So it's 1/3 cup of brown sugar and about a tablespoon of cinnamon. All right, let me use my fingers and make a mess. All right, set that to this. To go along with that, we're going to put 1/3 cup of honey and just set that to the side until we do the cake. In your mixing bowl, we're going to put 4 large eggs. Blop. We're going to put 3/4 cup of vegetable oil. And we're going to put 1 cup of sour cream. Get out of there. Okay. On top of that, 1 yellow cake mix. Just a plain yellow cake. Okay, we're going to put our paddle attachment on. And somewhere. Go backwards. Alright. Scrape my sour cream off. We're going to start it slow for about a few minutes, get it mixed. It's looking good. We're going to crank it up a little bit and let it run for 2 minutes. You know what, let's stop right here though and scrape down the edges. Oops. There we go. All right, for 2 minutes. The time is up. Let's go drop it down. Take our paddle attachment off. Scrape it. Make sure it's mixed really well. It is. So now we have a pan prepared. It's a 13x9 that I've lined with parchment paper. Dump all of that out. Okay, this is entirely too big. Again, using this big spatula. So push this all the way to the edge. just like that. Now we're going to take our brown sugar and cinnamon mixture, put this over the top. Just like that. Now we're going to take our honey and drizzle that over the top of that. All right, with your knife, you want to swirl this. So what I do is I kind of go like that, and then come back this way, then go back this way, then this way, and then I'll go this way. Just like that. This is going to bake in a 350 degree oven for about 38 to 42 minutes. So I'm going to check around 38 because, you know, my oven's hot. So I'm put that in and we'll let it roll. While the cake's baking, we want to get our glaze ready. This is 2 cups of powdered sugar. We're going to put about 1/3 of a cup of milk, soy milk. I use soy milk. And a teaspoon of vanilla. Ish. There you go. And you do want to throw in a pinch of salt. Just a little. We're going to mix that together. This is going to be drizzled over the hot cake. Alright, and we're just going to do this and set it to the side. Alright guys, the cake has come out of the oven. It's pulled away from the sides a little bit. It's done. I checked with a toothpick. We're going to take our glaze that we've made, and we're just going to pour it over the top. And just drizzle it like that. That'll work. Okay. All right, guys. Taste time. Get a good look at the honey bun cake. Nice crumb. It's got the honey bun soaked through it. The top's got the glaze. It's kind of melted. Kind of looks like a honey bun. So let's go ahead and first, you know, we gotta smell it first. Cinnamon, yellow cake. You can smell the honey too. Delicious. So let's give it a taste. That's what it looks like. The honey comes through it really well, and the cinnamon pops too. The glaze is just, you have to have the glaze on top. Don't skip that step, because that really like completes it. So good, y'all. Yum. Anyway, guys, so eating the rest of that. That's my honey bun cake, guys. The recipe is going to be down below. Again, if you're not a subscriber, take a second, hit that subscribe button. It helps so much. Other than that, guys, you guys have a great week. Be safe out there. But above all, take care of each other.